AI is already around you. Most people think AI started with ChatGPT, but AI was already around us long before that when YouTube recommends your next video that is AI, when Netflix suggests a movie that is AI, when your phone unlocks with your face that is AI, when Gmail blocks spam that is AI, when Google finishes your sentence that is AI. So ChatGPT did not create AI. ChatGPT made AI visible to everyone today. Let's understand AI not in a complicated way, not like a textbook, just a simple map of what AI is, how it learns, how it evolved, and where it is going. AI is not one app. AI is not only robots. AI is a big technology field. It includes machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, predictive AI, generative AI, and AI agents. Think of AI like a large city. For instance, ChatGPT is only one building in that city. There are many roads, many systems, and many tools inside the AI world. Once you see the whole map, AI becomes much easier to understand. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. In simple words, AI is technology that helps machines do tasks that usually need human intelligence. Humans can recognize faces, humans can understand language, humans can make decisions, humans can learn from examples, humans can notice patterns, humans can create ideas. AI tries to help machines do similar things using data, algorithms, and computing power. But here is the important part: AI does not think exactly like a human, it does not have feelings. Most AI systems find patterns and use those patterns to predict, decide, or create. AI learns from examples. Let's make this very simple. Imagine you want to teach a child what a cat looks like. You do not give the child a huge rule book, you simply show many examples. This is a cat. This is also a cat. This is not a cat. After seeing many examples, the child starts recognizing cats on their own. AI learns in a similar way. Instead of giving the computer every single rule, we give it many examples. The AI studies those examples and finds patterns. That is one of the biggest reasons AI became powerful. Traditional programming versus AI. Traditional programming works like this: a human writes the rules, the computer follows the rules. For example, if this happens, do that. But AI works differently. With AI, we give examples, data, and feedback. Then the system learns patterns from the data. So, traditional software follows instructions. AI learns from examples. That difference changed technology. It allowed machines to handle problems where writing every rule manually would be almost impossible. How AI learns. AI learning is like practice first. The system makes a prediction. Then it checks if the prediction was right or wrong. If it was wrong, it adjusts itself. Then it tries again and again. This is how many AI models improve over time. They do not become perfect, but with enough data, feedback, and training, they can become very good at specific tasks. Machine learning. Now, let's understand machine learning. Machine learning is a major part of AI. It means a system learns from data instead of depending only on manually written rules. For example, imagine a bank wants to detect fraud. Old software may use fixed rules. If the transaction is too large, flag it. If the location suddenly changes, flag it. But fraud keeps changing. Machine learning can study thousands or millions of past transactions. Some are normal, some are fraud. The system learns patterns and starts detecting suspicious activity. That is machine learning, learning from data. Deep learning is a powerful type of machine learning. It uses layered systems called neural networks. Think of it like many layers of learning. If AI looks at a face, the first layer may notice lines, the next layer may notice shapes, the next layer may notice eyes, nose, and mouth. The final layer may recognize the full face layer by layer. Simple details become complex understanding. That is why it is called deep learning. Deep learning is used in face recognition, speech recognition, translation, recommendations, image generation, and many modern AI tools. Natural language processing, NLP. This is the part of AI that helps machines work with human language. Human language can be messy. We ask questions, we give commands, we speak in different tones. We use short forms, emotions, context, and sometimes even confusing sentences. NLP helps AI process all of this. When you type a question into ChatGPT, the AI first breaks your words into smaller pieces, Then it looks at the order of the words, the meaning, the context, and what you're trying to ask. After that, it predicts the most useful response and arranges the answer in natural language. That is why AI can understand questions, reply in a human like way, summarize documents, translate languages, rewrite emails, detect sentiment, and support conversations. For example, when AI summarizes a long document, that is NLP. When AI translates, that is NLP. When AI rewrites an email politely, that is NLP. When AI answers your question in a chat, that is NLP. In simple words, NLP helps AI read, understand, and respond to human language. Computer vision AI for seeing. AI does not only work with language, it can also work with images and videos. That is called computer vision. Computer vision helps machines see and understand visual information. Your phone unlocking with your face uses computer vision, self driving cars detecting lanes, traffic lights, people, and vehicles use computer vision. So remember this simple difference: NLP is AI for language, computer vision is AI for seeing. Artificial intelligence is broadly categorized into three stages based on capability: artificial narrow intelligence, ANI, artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI. This is where many people mix up reality and science fiction. The AI we mostly use today is narrow AI. Narrow AI means AI that is very good at a specific task. Face Unlock recognizes your face, but it cannot write a poem. Netflix recommends movies, but it cannot drive a car. Google Maps predicts traffic, but it cannot teach a child maths. Spam filters block unwanted emails, but they cannot create a video script. Narrow AI is not weak. It can be extremely powerful, but it is specialized. It does one job very well. AGI in superintelligence. The next idea is AGI. AGI means artificial general intelligence. This would be AI that can learn and solve many different types of problems like a human. It would not be limited to one task. It could move from language to science, from coding to planning, from learning to reasoning. But today we do not have confirmed AGI. Modern AI tools are powerful, but they are still not truly human level general intelligence. Beyond AGI, people talk about superintelligence. That means AI smarter than humans across many areas. But this is still a future concept. So today, narrow AI exists AGI is a future goal. Superintelligence is a future possibility. AI history. AI did not begin with ChatGPT. The story goes back many decades. In 1950, Alan Turing asked a famous question: can machines think? This question started a new way of thinking about computers and intelligence. In the early days, people were very excited. They believed intelligent machines were very close, but computers were slow, data was limited, storage was expensive, the internet did not exist. The dream was big, but the tools were not ready. So AI went through periods called AI winters. That means interest, funding, and excitement dropped. AI did not die. It simply became quiet for some time. Then things changed. Computers became faster, storage became cheaper, the internet created massive amounts of data. Every search, click, purchase, video, message, and photo created data. This became the perfect environment for machine learning. AI started working quietly behind the scenes. Search engines became smarter. Spam filters improved banks, detected fraud. Shopping sites recommended products. YouTube recommended videos. Spotify recommended songs. This was the age of predictive AI. Predictive AI looks at past data and predicts what may happen next. What video will you watch? What product will you buy? Is this transaction fraud? Will this customer cancel? Predictive AI was everywhere, but most people did not notice it. Deep learning breakthrough. Then deep learning changed the game. In 2012, a model called AlexNet became a major breakthrough in image recognition. It showed that deep learning could perform far better than older methods in computer vision. After that, deep learning became one of the main engines behind modern AI. AI became better at seeing, better at hearing, better at translating, better at recognizing speech, better at understanding language. This breakthrough helped AI move from simple prediction systems to much more powerful tools. Generative AI, then came generative AI. Predictive AI predicts, generative AI creates. That is the key difference. Predictive AI says, based on your history, you may like this video. Generative AI says, give me a topic and I will write a script, give me a sentence and I will create an image, give me a document and I will summarize it, give me a problem and I will suggest code, give me an idea and I will turn it into a plan. This is why generative AI feels different before AI was hidden inside apps. Now, AI is something we can talk to. AI agents, now AI is moving into the next stage. AI agents. A normal chatbot answers your question. You ask, it responds, but an AI agent can take a goal and work through steps. For example, you may say, research this topic, compare options, create a table, write a report, and prepare a presentation. An AI agent can break the goal into smaller tasks. It can use tools, it can organize information, it can help complete work from start to finish. In simple words, all software needed buttons. AI chatbots need prompts. AI agents need goals. This is why AI is moving from conversation to action. AI can be wrong, but AI is not perfect. This is very important. AI can sound confident and still be wrong. It can make up facts. It can misunderstand your question. It can reflect bias from training data. It can give outdated information. This is often called hallucination. That does not mean AI is useless. It means AI should be used wisely. Think of AI like a fast assistant, helpful, creative, powerful, but not always reliable. You still need human judgment, especially in health, money, law, education, safety, and important business decisions. The smartest AI users do not blindly trust AI. They question it, check it, guide it, and use it responsibly. Final AI map. So let's bring everything together. AI is a broad field that helps machines perform tasks that usually need human intelligence. Machine learning helps AI learn from data. Deep learning helps AI learn complex patterns. NLP helps AI work with language. Computer vision helps AI understand images and videos. Narrow AI is the AI we mostly use today. AGI is the future goal of human level general intelligence. Predictive AI recommends, detects, ranks, and forecasts. Generative AI creates text, images, audio, video, code, and ideas. AI agents use tools, follow steps, and help complete tasks. AI is not magic. AI is not alive. AI is not perfect. But AI is one of the most important technologies of our time. It does not simply replace human intelligence, it multiplies human ability. If you understand AI, you will not be scared of it. You will know where it helps, you will know where it fails, and you will know how to use it wisely. So the next time someone says AI is just ChatGPT, you will know the bigger picture. AI is not just one app, it is the engine behind recommendations, predictions, automation, language, vision, creativity, and the next generation of digital assistants. And now you have the map. If this video made AI clearer for you, subscribe to Nanocelerate. Here, we make AI simple, smart, and accessible one nano step at a time.